Greetings, this is M squared, and we're going to graph some lines. Now, they've given us a point and a slope. We're not writing the equations of these lines. That's in a different tutorial. So this one, we're simply graphing lines. So the first thing I want to do is always graph my point. So -2, 1 means I go left 2, up 1. So I'm going to go left 2, up 1. Now I know that's a point on my line. And since they also gave me the slope, I start at the point on my line. I have to start there or else I won't be on my line. And I use that slope. Remember, -3/1, I could rewrite that. And the top always tells me to go up or down. The bottom tells me to go left or right. Since that's negative, I'm going to go down 3, and that's positive, so I'm going to go right 1 every time I go down 3. Remember, it's rise over run, so every time I go down 3 from my point, I'm going to go right 1. So down 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. Now, remember, a negative, you have to have one negative when you're dividing to make a negative. So I could have also gone up and left, because then this would have been negative. It's kind of like switching it to a +3 over a -1, which is still -3. Just want to show you what happens, because sometimes you run out of room on the graph and you have to go the other direction. So if I went up and left, you can still see how it's part of my line. And then you connect the dots, and that is your line. Okay, we're going to graph the point first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it says my slope is 0, so I know I have a horizontal line. Okay, the next one. First, we graph our point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 1. And my slope is 1/3, so I'm going to go up and right. So up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3, and I'm going to connect the dots, and I have graphed that line. Okay, the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've graphed my point, and then I want to use my slope to find some more points on that line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And you see how I ran out of room going up 3? So I'm going to go up and right because they're both positive. So I can just go back. I can go down and left, because down is negative and left is negative, and two negatives when you're dividing make a positive. So it's kind of like doing this slope, -3 over -2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And as soon as you get enough points to make the line, we can make the line. If we were writing an equation from the line, we'd want to know where the y-intercept was so that we could get it in slope-intercept form. But right now we're just graphing. So good luck. M squared, signing out.